Good morning, Caleb here with Sunfind Solar. Welcome to another installment of the Solar Life. Today's little preview is just an existing off-grid system here, site. And they have decided to bring in utility power. So you can see the new utility pole there. And here's some of the existing PV array and a couple small wind turbines. So you can see that here. On why grid power was brought in, which is another discussion, but we'll just talk a little bit about this site. So let's have a little look here. It's about innovative energy solutions. It's about a wise financial investment. It's about a contribution to our future. Welcome to the Solar Life. Fortis brought in a 15 kVA transformer. We can see the new utility service here. It's been trenched out, going to the house. We'll install the service power, reconfigure the solar system to allow grid tie capability and the selling of the excess renewable energy. So let's just jump inside and have a quick look. Down in the utility room here, we see an XW inverter system here, and the second one was put up here a few years later. I can't remember when that was put up. We haven't done all the work here. The battery storage for the site's actually the Aqueon sodium ion batteries. Big splash about 5 years ago. Aqueon ended up going out of business. We haven't seen too much industry capacity for the sodium ion batteries, but there's a set right here, so it's kind of cool to see them. Essentially, those batteries are cycled out now, and which is part of the driver to bring in grid power. Enjoy your day today. Catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.